Today, we will be discussing about the importance between accuracy and precision.
Precise and accurate are the two important concepts that helps us to ensure correct and reliable results.
Precision means getting the consistent or repeatable result, while accuracy, on the other hand, means getting the result that is closer to the true value or the correct answer.
Ayan, sister.
Accuracy and precision can be found anywhere in our normal lives.
Ew, ang squammy naman ng laro nila.
Ano, tara, laro. Tara.
Oh guys, kung sinong matatalo dito, manlilibre mamaya.
Sige, ano, tara.
Sige, unahan mo. O, ikaw naman. Ako.
Ang lahat, ang layo-layo ng ano natin, oh, pero nandyan silang lahat.
That's called being precise, but not accurate. In this activity, all of the pugs landed close to one another. But it did not intend to hit the target. This demonstrates precision, but not accuracy. That's called being precise and accurate. In this activity, every basketball shot successfully entered the hoop, although each one of the shot has entered at a different pace. This demonstrates accuracy but not precision, because the shot has initially entered the intended target, although each one of them are not truly consistent with their own placement, misplacement, or placement. In this activity, the paper balls missed the trash bin and landed on different locations. This demonstrates neither accuracy nor precision, because the throws did not reach the trash bin and were not consistent with one another. That is accurate and precise.
You folks, wait lang, practice.
Okay, go.
This activity